Good morning! What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Mackenzie. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So, as you can see, I'm in the car. We are already well on our way to our destination. We're going glass shopping. It's been a few months, actually. I stocked up really well before the holidays, but with that being said, the holidays I've used a lot of glass. I'm in desperate need of some more. So we're going to see Debbie Mark over at Toy Tom Stained Glass. We're only about 13 minutes away, so if glass shopping sounds like something you guys are into, I'll meet you guys there. Alrighty guys, we are here. Ooh, I'm so excited. I need glass so bad. Look at all this snow. I think they got more out here than we did. Okay guys, we're finally here. This drive felt like forever. It always does when it's slow early in the morning. Hello! Hi! Okay, as always, I'm gonna give you guys a nice look around at all of Debbie's amazing work since there are so many people in here. Look at that one. Oh, so pretty. Alright guys, so I had to do a voiceover here because there were so many people in the shop that it was really hard to talk loud enough and not be talking over somebody else or getting anybody on camera. But as you can see here, I'm just doing my basic glass shopping, looking through all of the iridescent sections and picking out each piece to look for all of those key points that I look for in iridescent glass sheets. And if you look in the bottom right corner, Mark and Debbie agreed to let me film them measuring and cutting up all the glass that I purchased. So once I buy it, I bring it over to the table so they can measure and price it out. Shocking, guys. I know, it's not iridescent, but that is still so beautiful. I've already got a ton of this yellow and amber ripple. I'm pretty sure this one's the dark blue, which I've also got still. I gotta watch out. There's a lot of people in here. I don't want to catch anyone on accident. Should I get more of that clear sunburst? I'm pretty sure I already have some of it still at home. Ooh, look at that red. Isn't that insane? That's like almost neon red. That one's really pretty. I really like this one. I like how neon that is. I might get some of this one. I think you guys would like that too. Debbie just brought up some more night lights that she's been making recently, and they're all so good. I cannot get enough of this birch one. Oh, it's not on. It's so pretty though. Even this one. I'm telling you guys, even if you're 4 hours away, it's absolutely worth the trip down here. There's so much glass. And I can guarantee you, even if you have a local store, this is still going to be a whole lot more. Guys, look at my favorite. And it's the water glass version. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty that base is. Oh my goodness. These ones are my favorite. You guys, look.
24 by
so beautiful. Oh, I'm not going to tell you which one it is, but in an upcoming video, There are actually a couple of those weird tools I was telling you guys about earlier that are on this wall. We'll see them soon. Yes! I found some. I'm so excited. I've been looking for this. Ooh, there's a pond there. There are so many people, which me and Debbie were probably just standing around, hanging out, talking for like an hour and 20 minutes this morning, and no one came, and now everybody's here. So, taking a bait break, then we'll go back in and finish up, see what else I can find. I'm still so tempted to get glass other than iridescent. I don't know why I'm hooked on iridescent glass like I am, but I'll try. We'll see. We'll look around when I go back in. Alright, we're taking one more look around. Whoa, what is that? Do you guys see that? That's like metallic. What is that? What is that? That is cool. Guys, that's black backed. That is really neat. I like this. Because that's like a mirror. Hi! You guys like my outfit? Can you see that? This is super cute fuzzy outfits. Okay, anyway, that glass is really beautiful. Can you see that texture within it? Cool. What's happening? Okay. I told you guys I was gonna look at stuff other than iridescent. I'm so excited. That one's like super metallic. It has a wispiness through it. It looks so cool. Okay, so I looked through all of that. I'm just gonna take one final spin, really picking through all of these aisles, because sometimes people put stuff back not in the right spot and I get lucky. So I'm hoping for that. Alright, I'm not showing you guys, so you have to wait until the end to see what I'm getting. But, like I said, I'm looking at some non-iridescent glass. I will tell you, I'm looking at Van Gogh, but I'm not going to show you until we're home. It's beautiful. Well, I'll show you this one. Isn't that cool? Here's the dust. Isn't that absolutely stunning? That two-tone within the Van Gogh I've never seen. That's beautiful. This stuff can be really tricky to grind. You gotta make sure you don't grind off that backing or chip too much around the edges. Just use a soft bit and it'll work. I'm supposed to be making my final look through here. Okay, so we looked there. But like I said, sometimes people put things in spots they're not supposed to be in. Glass like this is so neat. I looked through all of that iridescent. I think that's just about it, guys. All right, we are well on our way home. Sorry, my camera died. I was going to stop at that convenience store, my favorite little spot, but there were so many people in there, so I didn't want to go inside, you know, Rona. But there are so many people, so many of you guys that watch my channel have gone out to see Debbie and to let her know that you've been coming from my channel, which I greatly appreciate. She wanted me to remind you guys to make sure if you guys go in and see her and you're from my channel to let her know. She's been writing all of you guys down. I'm so surprised at how many people it is. I'm wondering, are my YouTube videos being suggested to people that are in my area because I'm in my area, you know what I mean? Because the landscape of YouTube is huge. It's just crazy to me that so many... Oh, don't like that. And I'm filming. It's just crazy to me that so many of you guys have gone out to see her. Like, my YouTube is so small and YouTube as a platform is so huge. I don't know. It's just awesome. I'm so glad you guys are going out to see them. It's absolutely worth it. I finally got myself some glass that's different than what I've been working with, so I'm really excited to have something new. And yeah, Toy Town is always fantastic. It's always such a good time. I got there at 10 o'clock this morning and I left at like 1:10. So I was there for over 3 hours just soaking up all the information that Debbie has to give and enjoying myself shopping for glass. It's always so fun. So again, if you guys are even 3 hours away, 4 hours away, it's absolutely worth the trip down there. Her store is fantastic. And you just can't beat those prices, especially if you're in that group of people that can only shop online. It's going to be worth it to make one big trip every so often to go and shop in store somewhere. Okay, so we're well on our way home. I will show you guys everything I get or everything I got once we do get home. I'll meet you guys there. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to split this video into 2 parts. We're already at 15 minutes and I'm not even home yet. I know I can talk a lot. I don't make such long videos on purpose. It kind of just happens. I'm sorry if that's overwhelming for some of you, but that's why I'm going to split this video into 2 parts. It makes it not only easier on me as far as editing, but hopefully easier for those of you that feel that way. So part 2 will be all about showing you guys all of the glass that I got today. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified when that video goes up. I'll try to edit it as quickly as I can, hopefully within the next day or 2. But stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching part 1, and I will see you in part 2.